Hello everyone, welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. In this video, you will learn HTML from basics to advanced, even if you are a complete beginner. HTML is the foundation of web development, and after this course, you will be able to create your own websites confidently. So don't skip the video. Let's start. HTML course content, detailed explanation. Introduction to HTML. What is HTML? History of HTML. Why HTML is important for web development. HTML versus CSS versus JavaScript. Tools required, browser, editor like VS Code. After this, students clearly understand what HTML does. HTML basic structure. HTML document structure. HTML document structure. HTML head, body, tags. Page title and knitter information. Students learn how a web page starts. HTML text formatting tags. Headings H1 to H6. Paragraphs bold, italic, underline. Line breaks and horizontal lines. Superscript and subscript. Used to display readable content. HTML links and images. Anchor tag, internal and external links, image tag, image paths relative and absolute, alt attribute importance, helps connect pages and add visuals, HTML lists, ordered lists, unordered lists, description lists, nested lists, used in menus and navigation bars, HTML tables, table structure, rows, columns, headers, cell padding and spacing, merging rows and columns, used for displaying data clearly. HTML forms, very important. Form tag, input types, text, email, password, radio, checkbox, select and text area, button and submit. Form attributes. Forms are used for login, registration, contact pages. HTML multimedia. Audio tag, video tag, YouTube video embedding, iframe usage, adds rich media to websites, HTML semantic elements, header, footer, nav, section, article, aside, main and figure, improves SEO and code readability, HTML best practices, proper indentation, real-time practice for confidence. Who can learn this course? Beginners, freshers, career switchers, degree, BTech, diploma students. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe to Yajentio Training Academy. Press the bell icon for more IT courses. For full course and placement support, contact us today. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you all.